Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word CW network in depth. First, the definition. CW network means an American broadcast television network targeting young adults. Think of it simply as a TV channel known for shows popular among teens and young viewers. It specifically focuses on dramas, comedies, and superhero series. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. CW Network traces back to the launch in 2006 as a joint venture between CBS and Warner Bros. Over time, it's been used by television audiences across the United States. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use CW Network in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The CW Network airs popular teen dramas and superhero series. Correct example 2. Many fans waited eagerly for the new season premiere on CW Network. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to CW Network my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using CW Network correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. CW Network means an American broadcast television network targeting young adults. It comes from its 2006 origin as a CBS and Warner Bros. Partnership, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with CW Network down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.